Congratulations on the purchase of your new Hyundai. For your safety, we've prepped your vehicle by adhering to all CDC Cleaning Guidelines. But before you get into it, we'd like to tell you about some of the great things you'll get out of it. Like every 2020 model, your new Hyundai comes with complimentary maintenance. That means that Hyundai has you covered for normal factory-scheduled maintenance intervals for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Benefits include engine oil and oil filter changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections by factory-trained technicians using OEM parts. Regular care and maintenance will help keep your new Hyundai running at its best, so we'll reach out with a reminder when your vehicle is due for service. Because we want to make ownership as worry-free as possible, that's not all. Your purchase includes 5 years of complimentary roadside assistance serviced by AAA. We'll send help 24/7, 365 for services like towing, trip interruption, keys locked in vehicle, flat tire, dead battery, or if you run out of gas. Wherever your adventures take you, Trip Interruption Assistance will reimburse you for reasonable expenses such as meals, lodging, and transportation if you're more than 150 miles from home and your vehicle is disabled overnight due to warrantable mechanical repairs. You'll also get the added peace of mind knowing your new Hyundai comes with America's Best Warranty, which includes a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. It also covers the following. Congratulations again on your new Hyundai. Now that you know what you'll get out of it, it's time to get into it. We hope you enjoy the ride today and many years down the road.